Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News. We're kicking off a revolution in the automotive industry with an electrifying story from northern Indiana. In a major move, Amazon billionaire Jeff Bezos-backed automaker Slate will be building its first electric vehicle trucks at a former printing plant in Warsaw, Indiana, bringing over 2,000 jobs back to the area. This is a game-changer for the region and marks Slate's commitment to disrupting the American EV market, where Tesla dominates. Slate Auto was founded in 2022 and has been working tirelessly to create affordable electric vehicles that can compete with the likes of Tesla. According to Chris Barman, Slate's CEO, who also grew up in the area, the company chose Warsaw for its ideal footprint, great workforce, and community. The 1.4 million square foot LSC plant closed in summer 2023, leaving over 500 workers without jobs, but Slate is set to fill that void with new employment opportunities. The first electric pickup trucks are expected to roll off the assembly line at the end of 2026, with plans to produce up to 150,000 vehicles per year by late 2027. What's remarkable about Slate's approach is its focus on affordability and customization. The company's online Slate Maker tool allows customers to personalize their vehicle preferences right up until the car is made. For instance, customers can choose from a standard two-door truck or add parts to expand it into an SUV-like vehicle. This flexibility makes it an attractive option for people whose needs might change over time. And with prices starting at around $27,500 and potentially as low as $20,000 after federal tax credits, Slate aims to make electric vehicles more accessible than ever before. It's worth noting that Tesla has been struggling to achieve similar price points without compromising on quality or performance. By offering affordable electric vehicles, Slate is poised to shake up the industry and provide a viable alternative for Americans looking for a more sustainable ride. In a bold statement, Chris Barman said, "This is a vehicle for America, and when I think about Indiana, it's in the heartland. People in Indiana very much look for value and a car that will work for them." With Slate taking up residence in Warsaw, we're excited to see how this new automaker will make its mark on the industry. That's all for today's update from ElectroDrive News. Stay tuned for more news on the electric vehicle revolution and the latest updates on Slate Auto as it gets ready to electrify the roads of America.